Summaries are an extremely useful feature of cross-reference. And to understand why we use summaries, first let's look at the kind of information that you do get from groups. When you go into groups, you get the group and everything that's underneath it. So when you select church services, you get everyone who's been to any church service anywhere. You select a specific church service, and you get people who are attended, as well as those who've received Christ, and so on. A good example here is Bible studies. If I select a specific Bible study, it will get contacts, both those involved and those who have not yet attended. And that's all very useful information. But what if I needed to know something that was a different piece of information? So, for example, what if I needed to know everyone involved in every Bible study altogether? That becomes more complex because we have many Bible studies. And that's fine if you have just a handful of Bible studies. We can put those records together, but it becomes very complex when we want to know that kind of information and we have 20 or 30 Bible studies. So summaries do an analysis of the database. They understand what groups people are involved in, how are they connected within the church, and then they are able to give you some important information. And usually this is information collected together. So let's give an example here. We have all involved in Bible studies. If we were to take all the involvement groups here for every Bible study, that's this list over here. And not only that, we could do something else with Bible studies as well. We can take a look at all the Bible study leaders. Now this is very, very powerful because you get this information at just the touch of a button. Now there are a lot of summaries here. Let's take a look at one more. And this is an extremely powerful one. All involved. This is the summary of everyone involved in the church in some way, shape, or other. They could be involved in a Bible study. They could have been coming to a service. They could have signed up for a class. They could have been involved in an outreach. They could be a member of the church. Whichever way that they're involved, that's all collected together in this summary, all involved, and it only takes one press of a button to get there. So you can see summaries are extremely powerful, and they can give you very, very strong information in a very short amount of time. And then when you use summaries in combination with queries, you get extremely powerful information.